I've been in the roofing industry for 10 years now, and I was given an opportunity by the owners of Peak to Peak Roofing and Exteriors. Anytime we get big level storms in Colorado, roofers come in from all over the nation. Because of that, there's a lot of fraud that happens in this state. So being a local company that's been here, was founded here, we're able to provide services for people and give them peace of mind knowing that if we say we're going to do something, we're going to actually do it.
I've been in the roofing business for 22 years now. I got into this business in Chicago, started out as a door knocker. Eventually I did sales, so I had the pleasure of being able to work with some of the largest roofing companies in the country. And, I evolved into being a business owner. We've had McAllen Valley Roofing now for going on 11 years, and kind of the rest is history. McAllen Valley Roofing is one of the most trusted roofing companies in Texas. And, people in our community really trust us. When we sit down and we say something, they listen. And so when we actually offer solar, they take it seriously. And when we show them the math, they make a decision to go solar.
As a roofing professional, we experienced a lot of pain points trying to get into solar. The communication was horrible. They were not, actually executing the way that they said. And I have a lot of high-end clientele. And so 3 specific clients of mine, they completely dropped the ball. And I was like, that's it, I'm done. And it kind of fell off my radar for a little bit until I met with one of my realtors and said, hey, I hooked up into this platform with this company called Powur, and it's been incredible. And I was a little skeptical at first, and then I decided to take a step of faith and actually look at the platform, and we were like, let's go for this.
I got introduced to Powur through one of my buddies, a very, very successful friend of mine. And says, hey, Brian, you have a roofing business, and I have an opportunity for you using the other company that you currently already have. And I thought that was such a great idea, because there's this evolution that's happening with solar where there's going to be this merge of industries together. It's going to be solar roofing together, and I want to be on the forefront of that. And so when he had told me about this opportunity with Powur, I took it seriously.
One of the benefits of the Powur platform is I can easily offer solar solutions to my existing clientele, and that goes for anybody in the trades. If you're a painter, if you do gutters, even if you're inside homes cleaning carpet, you can offer these solutions easily to your existing clientele. So after only 9 months in the industry, we've sold 30 systems, and in just the month of September alone, I sold 9 systems, ranked number 5 in the entire company. Powur is the catalyst that can lower the activation energy required to be successful in solar, because after many iterations and a lot of failure with other companies, Powur has proven to be the platform that we needed to plug and play and achieve that level of success.
The cost of overhead is probably, one of our biggest concerns as a roofing company. When you're talking about your payroll, your accounting, your project management, your tracking, your phone calls, it costs me about $150,000 a month. And Powur takes care of all that for $85 a month. And at the end of the day, that's really what matters. Low overhead, high profit. We just do what we do best, and that's go out there and recruit and sell. And that's the part that I love.
So as we got into the Powur platform, I was introduced to several key leaders in the company, one of them being Charles Thompson. So Charles, one of the things he did inside of our relationship was help me become a Tier 3 seller. And inside of that relationship building, we were also able to plug into the enterprise program, which he told me about, which allows my entire company to be plugged into Powur. And we've been seeing the benefits of that from day one. We have now become the certified roofer and the preferred roofer for Powur in the state of Colorado.
Once people, jump onto the solar train, once they realize the benefits, your customers become your biggest advocates. And what I've noticed is our sales guys become super busy after they've sold a couple projects, because literally their customers, as an ambassador, are making $1,000, and now they're telling everybody about it.
Being a trades professional, being in the roofing industry, now being able to offer solar, one of the reasons why I do this is because, we make a tremendous amount of money. And the reality is I like money, and I like making a lot of money. But the thing that has always lent to my success is the fact that I really care about people. And I really believe in solar, and the fact that I can offer a clean energy solution to people and save them a ton of money is something that's really lent to the success of me being in solar, because I've just taken that same heart out of roofing and applied it to solar. Powur can change your life. It really can.
You know, Powur was a godsend. They do all the accounting and project management. And when you think of a roofing company, those are really your two biggest hurdles. You know, I wish I had a roofing company that can do that for me.
My name is Brian McSteen, and I'm living a powered life.
My name is Damon, and I'm living a powered life.